Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. The AST, Abstract Syntax Trees, module in Python is a powerful tool that provides a way to analyze, manipulate, and generate Python code at the abstract syntax tree level. The abstract syntax tree represents the hierarchical structure of a Python program, breaking it down into its fundamental components. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using the AST module with practical examples. An abstract syntax tree is a tree representation of the syntactic structure of a source code. It allows us to analyze and modify the structure of the code at a higher level than raw source code. The AST module in Python provides classes and functions to work with these trees. Before we dive into the examples, let's start by importing the AST module. The AST module provides a function called ast.parse, to convert a Python source code string into an abstract syntax tree. Now that we have our abstract syntax tree, let's explore its structure. The AST module provides several classes representing different types of nodes. We can use the ast.dump function to visualize the structure. This will print a detailed representation of the abstract syntax tree. We can traverse the AST using the ast.nodeVisitor class. Let's create a simple visitor to print the names of all functions in the code. The AST module allows us to modify the AST, enabling us to programmatically alter the code. As an example, let's add a new print statement inside the greet function. To get the modified code from the modified AST, we can use the ast.unparse function. This will print the modified code with the added print statement. The AST module in Python provides a powerful way to analyze and manipulate Python code at the abstract syntax tree level. By understanding the structure of the AST and using the provided classes and functions, you can create tools for code analysis, modification, and generation. Experiment with the examples provided and explore the possibilities of working with abstract syntax trees in Python. ChatGPT.